Today, we're tapping on one of the most misunderstood concept in personal development, manifestation. And I want to start by reframing what that word actually means, because manifestation isn't mystical. It isn't magical. It simply means making something visible, taking something from potential into reality. And here's the thing, you are doing it all the time, right now, every single day. When you make a meal, you've manifested it. When you send an email, you've manifested it. When you have a thought and act on it, you've manifested it. You are a powerful manifester. The question has never been whether you can do it. The question is whether you're doing it deliberately or unconsciously. Because most of what shows up in our lives was manifested by old programming running quietly in the background. And today we're taking back the wheel. So here's what's actually happening when something you want isn't showing up. You start to manifest it, you draw it toward you, and then some part of you that doesn't feel safe having it pushes it back, it pushes it away. You're spending time manifesting what you want and equal or more time unmanifesting it. And the result is that you've brilliantly, successfully manifested the distance between you and the thing that you want, the thing that you say you want. Not because you're bad or weak or broken, but because of old programming that convinced you somewhere along the way that you couldn't or shouldn't have it. Today, we clear that and we step into the truth that you are a powerful manifester. You always have been. And it's time to start using that power deliberately. So close your eyes and breathe in slowly through your nose. Hold it and let it go. With your eyes still closed, think about something you've been trying to manifest that hasn't shown up yet. Something you genuinely want. Hold it clearly in your mind. And instead of asking, why isn't it here yet? Get curious, not judgmental, curious. What part of you might be pushing it away? What old belief might be unmanifesting it as fast as you're drawing it in? Is there a fear underneath it? A feeling that isn't safe? A quiet belief that you couldn't handle it or don't deserve it? Just notice without judgment, with genuine curiosity, because that resistance right there is the only thing that has ever stood between you and what you want. So take a breath in, hold it, and let it go. Now we're going to do EFT tapping, otherwise known as tapping. So just tap where I tap and say what I say. Okay, so taking responsibility for your own well-being, as always. Let's tap. Side of the hand. Even though I've been manifesting unconsciously, and a lot of what's shown up isn't what I consciously wanted, I choose to deeply and completely love, honor, and accept myself. Even though I've been brilliantly unmanifesting the very things I say I want, without even knowing it, I choose to love and honor myself and get curious about how to change that. Even though old programming has been running my manifestation power without my permission, I choose to deeply and completely love and accept myself. And I'm taking back that power today. I am a powerful manifester. I've just been doing it unconsciously, manifesting from old programming instead of deliberate intention. And a lot of what's shown up, I've created brilliantly. just not always what I actually wanted. And I choose not to judge myself for that because I'm not bad, weak, or broken. I've just been running on autopilot, drawing things toward me and then pushing them away because some part of me didn't feel safe having them. I've been spending time manifesting what I want and equal or more time unmanifesting it. And I'm ready to change that now. The things I haven't manifested yet, I'm probably resisting. Not because I can't do it, but because part of me isn't clear that it's safe to have it. I'm clearing that resistance now, clearing at a cellular level, clearing all the way back through my past. Every belief that stopped me from allowing what I want. I choose to be curious rather than judgmental about why certain things haven't shown up yet. Not blaming myself, just getting genuinely curious about what I might be resisting and choosing to clear it. I am a powerful manifester, and I'm getting more deliberate every day. I successfully manifest everything I have little resistance to. So the path to more is simply less resistance. I'm clearing the resistance now to the specific things I want most. I'm allowing myself to commit to manifesting them without fear of disappointment. Because either I get it just right or I get better at manifesting. Either way, I win. This is a win-win situation. I choose to feel good about that. I choose to use my power deliberately. I choose to manifest with intention. I choose to allow what I want without pushing it away. I am a powerful manifester. I am manifesting all the time with every breath, with every thought, with every feeling. And I'm choosing now to direct that power toward everything I truly want in my body, my mind, and my spirit. Close your eyes, take a breath in, hold it, and let it go. With your eyes still closed, think again about what you want to manifest. Notice if it feels any more available now, any more like something you're genuinely open to receiving rather than something you're simultaneously drawing in and pushing away. Let yourself feel the excitement of it, not the need, the excitement, not the lack, the possibility. And let yourself be genuinely curious about the path between here and there, not anxious, not desperate, curious, open, and ready. Because a deliberate manifester who is clear, open, and free of resistance is unstoppable. And that's exactly who you're becoming. So take a breath in, hold it, and let it go. Now open your eyes. You have been manifesting your entire life, every single day. The only difference between where you are and where you want to be is the clarity of your intention and the amount of resistance in the way. Today, you worked on both. Keep coming back to this one whenever something you want feels stuck or out of reach. Get curious. Ask yourself, how might I be unmanifesting this? And then tap on whatever comes up because the power was never the question. The power has always been there. You're just learning to use it on purpose. So make sure you drink a glass of water, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for doing the work.